Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether Barclaycard app is secure for managing your finances or not. So fortunately, Barclaycard app is designed with security feature to protect your financial information and transaction. Here are some of the security measures typically implemented by the Barclaycard app and other reputable financial institutions. First thing, the app uses encryption technology to secure data when it's transmitted between your devices and Barclaycard app. These help prevent unauthorized access to your personal and financial information. And likewise, to access your account on the app, you typically need to provide authentication credentials such as username, password, and sometimes additional factor like biometric authentication, example fingerprint or facial recognition, or two-factor authentication. And app also offers additional security features such as secure locking process to detect and prevent unauthorized access attempt. This could include measures like looking for account after multiple failed login attempts or require you to verify your identity through a secondary method. And some version of the app offers card control feature that allows you to temporarily lock or freeze your card, set spending limits, or restricted certain type of transaction. These control gives you added control over your card's uses and can help prevent unauthorized transactions. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.